We were really saddened in January to learn that the fire had impacted Eliot, and it was a place where we had invested in the past. But we were amazed at the same time because coming out of that experience, we saw the resilience in the students and the staff and the leadership. A historic coming together happened among the CFP roles. They all got together and said, we need to do something to help the folks in Pasadena. And so today we're announcing a $1.2 million investment to restore Eliot.
The partnership has been strong since we met, and they always give more than they promise.
I know that Eliot has the power to come back better and stronger.
The other playoff bowl games that have come together for this special purpose, I can't tell you how meaningful that it is.